used it, and doctors say that if we use it, it keeps us healthy and safe. Let us welcome our 9 junior students to perform the skit on Covaxin.
As their chosen character. Vishal as Dr. Krishna Allah, Bharat Biotic. Giri as Dr. Rajesh Allah, Clinical Development. Ujjwal as Dr. Balram Bhargava, ICMR DG. Arun as Dr. Samiran Panda, Epidemiologist. Alia as Dr. Sujitra Allah, Bharat Biotech. Yasmin as Dr. Nivedita Gupta, ICMR. Sana as Dr. Renu Swarupa, Department of Biotechnology. Mokshita as Dr. Priya Abraham, National Institute of Virology. The world stoppered.
Hospitals are overflowing, oxygen's running out, life slipping through our fingers. We can't watch India shatter.
My mother's village, just sit and watch this virus take our people. We have to do something immediately. So everyone, get back to work.
Krishna, breathe. We will fight, not with fear but with science.
The Prime Minister wants indigenous vaccine capacity. We need something. We can call our own.
A vaccine born on Indian soil, made by Indian hands to protect Indian families.
Then let's begin. Let this soon be the place where the hope is reborn.
Personal warfare.
This is Indian first isolate of SARS-CoV-2. I lost 2 of my lab staff to COVID and I will not lose another.
My sister is a nurse in Kolkata. She video called me crying last night. Patients are dying in her arms, dying alone. We must stop this pain.
My father has diabetic. He is alone in Delhi. I pray every morning that the virus does not find him. This vaccine is my prayer, wrapped in science.
And my own son asked me yesterday, Ma, can you make the world safe again? I told him, I will try. I have to keep the promise.
Then we will fight. We all will. Not just as scientists, but as people who have something to protect.
The first struggle.
ICMR needs preliminary result in 30 days. Can you handle that?
30 days. We are humans, not machines. We can't do that.
Nobody said that it will be easy, but India is burning, Krishna.
We will handle it, sir. Just don't ask us to rest because none of us can.
When fear enters.
The viral inactivation is unstable yet. One mistake and everything will collapse.
What if we are running a race that we can't win?
Then we can run anyway, even if our leg breaks, even if our heart shatters.
What if Covaxin already failed? Everyone, just go home.
Then we get up and try again because the people outside these walls don't have the luxury to lose hope.
Sacrifices of the heart.
My daughter sent me a voice note. Papa, don't forget me. I listened it 10 times, but I can't go home.
And I missed my 10 years old daughter's birthday. She left the cake outside of my lab gate. I cried before opening it.
I lost the colleague, not the virus, but exception, we cannot last more.
We are breaking ourselves so the country doesn't break.
The first spark of hope.
Immune response is strong. Phase 1. Trials are successful.
We actually did it. The body is fighting back.
This is not data. This is India learning to breathe again. Everyone, congratulations.
A final test of faith.
If this fails, what do we tell the nation?
We tell them we gave everything we had, every tears, every night, every heartbeat.
It works. Covaxin works. Thank you, God. Thank you.
India has saved everyone.
The moment they waited for.
To the people of India, we gave you Covaxin, born from sleepless nights and endless hope.
This vaccine is not just science, it is sacrifice.
It carries our fear and our courage.
May it protect every child, every mother, and every family.
Those we lost, this is for them. Those we love, this is for them.
Those who prayed for us, this is for them.
And for the nation that believed in all of us, this is our gift. Covaxin, India's shield and India's pride. And we all would like to make a bold statement to the world.
Covaxin is not made by Bharat Biotech or ICMR. Covaxin is made by Indians, made for Indians.
This is not our first vaccine. It is our hope and first step to Vikasit Bharat.
This script show the struggle, this thank you.
Yeah, they didn't just say dialogues, they lived in it.
A big round of applause.